Well, Fayetteville chiropractors are focused on helping the Northwest Arkansas community reach their optimum health potential. And Dr. Watkins joins us to introduce us to a couple of new members of the team, Kirsten and Kinsey. Welcome.
Thank
Thanks
you.
for being
Thanks
here.
for being here. Glad we could be here.
Absolutely. So what made you guys decide to become chiropractors?
Oh man, yeah, that's a great question. For me, it was that I saw a need in what we consider the healthcare field, right? Without drugs and surgery. So our job is just to help people try to avoid those two things as best as possible. Obviously, experiences in my life with drugs, with surgery, we found maybe there's a different way of healthcare and keeping our bodies functioning at optimal level, like you just said. And so that was kind of my drive. When it came to that, I saw, hey, I can go and serve Northwest Arkansas, become a physician, and then help people in a more natural, holistic approach.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
And you brought a couple new members aboard.
We did.
Team.
Yeah. Yeah, these are new docs here at Abide Chiropractic, and definitely just want to introduce them to the community. Getting back on Good Day NWA with you guys has been great. But yeah, we have Dr. Kirsten Payne here, or she goes by Dr. KK, and then we have Dr. Kinsey Noack. And so yeah, they joined us in April, and they'll be with us for a while, the foreseeable future, and so look forward to adding them to the crew.
Yeah, that's great. So how does it feel to kind of join the team?
It's been awesome. Northwest Arkansas has been gorgeous. I love coming here. We both really enjoyed the practice, working with Doc every day. Team's been fantastic. So yeah, it's been really great so far.
I would agree on that. Our team is really special, and we provide like very patient-centered care, which you don't see at a lot of places. So I think that really differentiated between us coming to Arkansas and us going elsewhere is the kind of practice that Dr. Parker runs.
Yeah, well, let's talk about that a little bit. Tell us about Abide's goals and your approach to chiropractic here.
Sure, yeah. So we have a neurologically based approach, so which is maybe different than the traditional chiropractic office that you may see just around. So we focus on the nervous system and how it affects the body. And so we have different types of techniques that we utilize to maybe help you reach the potential, get back to health and healing. We look at what goals you're looking to accomplish, and then we just put together a plan of attack to say, hey, this is what we can do to help you. So again, like Dr. KK said, very individualized approach where we focus on the nervous system and the spine and how that functions overall, helping with lots of different symptoms, not just neck pain, back pain, and headaches, but sinus issues, allergies, ringing the ears, vertigo, migraine headaches, irritable bowel syndrome, things like that we can really focus on treating while you're in practice.
Yeah, that's great. Do you have any specialties that you kind of use there when you're at the clinic?
Sure. Yeah, so one of the techniques we use is called the torque release technique. It's an instrument style of adjusting, so that's something that may set us apart. We also, I was on here a little while back, talked about our neuropathy treatment program. And so we have a specialty program that we can also help people with neuropathy, peripheral neuropathy. And so that involves quite a bit. But when we come in, we do sensory exams, and we really focus on that. And we get to add the chiropractic portion in to really help with the nervous system itself.
Let's say a potential client who's watching right now, do you sign up for an individual when you come to the clinic? Like, I want to go see Dr. Noack, or I want to go see Dr. Watkins. How does that kind of work?
That's a really great question. What we try to do is take a team of doctor approach. So we actually all sit down and go over everyone's case together.
Okay.
And so it's fun to have 3 different eyes on each individual person's care. And then when they come in, they'll get to see all of us. And so you may see me or one of the other docs when you come in, but either way, we're still talking about your care, focusing on what you want to accomplish, and then we work together to try to accomplish that goal.
Yeah, that's great.
That's incredible, yeah.
Again, going back to you two, you were talking about how great it's been to be here in Northwest Arkansas. What kind of sets it apart for you, this area?
This area, oh my goodness. So I visited about 2 years ago, and I fell in love with it. It reminds me a lot of home, very naturesque, very beautiful. I'm really looking forward to seeing all the fall colors because we do not have that back in Texas. So very much looking forward to that.
Yeah, the seasons. We definitely have the seasons here.
Absolutely.
Yeah. What about for you?
I totally agree, and I think everyone, like this whole community, has been fantastic as well. Everyone's been super welcoming, which makes that transition, that move a lot easier. So love that. Want to thank everybody for just welcoming us.
Yeah, for sure. And welcome to our community once again. We'll
Yes.
say it again, but yeah, glad to have you here. Where can people reach out if patients want to maybe sign up for a consultation? How can they do that?
Absolutely, yeah. So give us a call. Our phone number, I think they may post it, but 479-435-6888. There you go. You can go on our website to abidechiropractic.com. There is a link there that they can click on a new patient, fill out the paperwork, the new patient special that we're offering right now. It's actually really awesome. It's $29, and that covers the entire first visit, including your x-rays. And so we want to make sure people can get in, even if you're on a good budget, we want to make sure that we can take care of you, show you what we've got going on, present to you what we can do to help.
Yeah,
That's
well
awesome.
Doctors, thank you for joining
you
us.
so
Thank you.
much.
It's a pleasure.
Absolutely, yes.